And now, marine life enthusiasts, come with us as we explore the mysterious world of the open ocean. The Marine Life Institute houses many aquatic species, including fish from the wild who need our help, like the group we found in the bay, floating in plastic bags. For these, we remember the 3 R's: rescue, rehabilitate, and
Release! Today's the day! How many visitors came to see us off?
Yeah! Hi, little fella!
You know, I bet they're wondering how we even ended up here. Why don't we tell them?
Oh, let me! I tell it best!
Excuse me.
Oh,
What are you doing?
I tell it best!
Listen up! These travelers came a long way, and they deserve a good story. So, we're gonna do this the way we do everything. Together. Now, it all started
When Marlin met a balloon named Dory. Oh no, it's when they found that mask.
No, no, no! When they escaped those sharks, that part's scary! Oh no!
Nope. It all started with a little clownfish named Nemo.
Dad, it's time for school.
All right, we're excited. It's your first day of school, Nemo. We're ready to learn, to get some knowledge.
Come on.
Okay.
Hey Dad, wouldn't it be cool if I maybe made a shark when I was school?
No.
Or an angelfish. Is it true that they have wings? Can you believe there are so many things in the big blue world? I'm gonna go explore in the big blue world that I've never seen before. So many creatures swimming around the sea in the big blue world, and all of them are waiting for me.
That's what I'm afraid of.
Hey Dad, do you know how old sea turtles are?
Sea turtles? If I ever meet one, I'll ask him.
Maybe I'll meet a sea turtle and a shark.
We're excited, but let's take a little pause. Sharks are not our friends, Nemo. Had a juicy jaws. You don't want to meet a swordfish. You don't want to meet a whale.
I want to meet a whale.
Leave me around to watch your tail in the big blue world. You're just a little fish in the big blue world. You'll be seen as a tasty dish. That means so much to me. I don't know what I would do in this big blue world if something should happen to you.
No need to worry, that all okay.
I'm scared you'll end up as a clownfish fillet. We could turn right around. We could wait one more year.
That would be so boring, Dad. I belong here. Wow! Isn't it beautiful?
Nemo!
Come on, Dad.
Hold my fin! Hold my fin!
Take a look around you. The ocean's alive. In the big blue world, it's time for you to arrive.
Let's take the zones, the zones, the zones. Let's take the zones up here to see.
Mr. Ray!
My aboard, explorers! Who's this?
I'm Nemo.
He's got a little fin. We call it his lucky fin. I think he's tired. Just give him a bit. It'll be all right. Let's go, explorers. Hold on tight. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Ready? I don't think I'm ready. Be ready to go.
Yes, the drop-off.
Is it there that Nemo discovered that boat?
Our dentist boat.
What's that?
Hey, what's going on and touch it?
Yeah, come on, Nemo. My dad said it's
Nemo! No! You can't be anywhere near here! You're not ready! I was right! We'll try school again next year!
Dad.
You know that you can't swim well!
I can't.
You can't! Now come along! You think that you can do these things, but you are wrong!
I hate you.
And with that, Nemo did swim right toward that boat.
But suddenly, a diver appeared.
But Nemo was gone.
Where'd it go? It's gone! I can't be gone! Has anybody seen a boat? Please, they took my son! I'm coming, Nemo!
Look out! Sorry, sir.
Help! He's got my son! He's got Nemo! Have you seen a boat?
A boat. I've seen a boat. Follow me.
Thank you.
Do you mind?
What?
Well, I'm trying to swim here.
But we're trying to find Nemo. You were showing me which way the boat went.
A boat. I've seen a boat.
No, we already did this.
We did? Oh dear. I guess I should explain. I got this problem with my brain. Things get really scrambled in my head. I have a short-term memory. I forget things almost instantly. I'm not even sure what I just said. May I help you?
Something's wrong with you. Really, you're wasting my time. I have to find my son.
Chico?
Nemo. Oh. Hello.
Well, hi.
Name's Bruce.
Well, I'm Dory. And this is...
No, you don't need to know. We were just leaving. I'd like to invite you, morsels, to a little party on there. What's it do first, mate? We're starving. Cola, tasty bars. Right then, our meeting has officially come to order. Let us all say the pledge. Fish are friends. Fish are friends.
Fish are friends.
Not food. Though we have long sharp teeth, we're no shots underneath. We know that fish are friends, not food. Well, sometimes we know. Sure, we don't eat you hard, but we have self-control. We know that fish are friends, not food. I'd like to be your friend. Stress our life in the oceanal lead to emotional eaters. When you need help getting through it, then help just won't do it. Don't start feeding, swim to our meeting. Oh yes, we've seen the light. Each day we fight the fight to curb our appetite and change our attitude. Fish are friends. Fish are friends. Fish are friends. Fish are food. No, fish are friends, not food.
I love balloons. It is a balloon.
By your distance, though, wouldn't want one of them to pop. Sorry, is your nose bleeding? Oh, that's good. Intervention! I need a little time. Why let them go to waste? Remember, fish are friends, not food. I need some food. I guess I'm asking the diver that took my son. Look what these markings mean. I can't read human.
Escaping. That's not the same as escape.
Dory, you can read. Read the mask. Well, I've got you in my side. I'm having fish time. Remember, fish are friends. Remember, fish are friends. Remember, fish are friends. Swim away. Swim away.
No food. right. This is the part where Nemo arrived at the dentist.
And he didn't even have an appointment!
Nah, our tank was just a pit stop. The little guy was just a present for the dentist's niece, Darla.
Darla?
Oh
She's a fish killer! She shakes the bag!
no! Nah, we weren't gonna let him go belly up. I had a plan. Hey, kid. You'll get back to your dad. I've been watching you. You're small enough to break us free.
I don't swim well. I got a bad fin.
One bad fin has never stopped me.
Your escape plans never work, you!
But this time, we got him. I promise, we will all get out as long as we can swim together. We swim together. Cooperation is the secret to our success. Yeah, we swim in harmony.
And we study dentistry.
We're the fish of pop culture and DDS. Shark bait! You're one of us now, and we can't send you off to your death. Darla's coming in 5 days, but you'll be long gone by then. We all will. If we do this the way we do everything else. Together, we swim together. Little clownfish, you're our ticket to breaking free.
Yeah!
And if we all join things, everybody wins. And we'll swim together in the open sea.
So what's your name, kid?
Nemo.
Our escape plan was set.
Yeah, too bad it didn't work.
Nah, we just had to find another way. Remember, all drains lead to the ocean. Speaking of the ocean, Nemo's dad was still out there trying to find him.
Yeah, but there was one big problem. The mask is gone. That was the only chance I had of finding my son.
Harpo.
Nemo.
Okay. Hey, Mr. Grumpy Gills. Life's full of little spills. Don't throw your fins up in disgust. Oh, what's the use of floating there, not going anywhere? Swish your tail and dive on in, and trust that if you just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Life isn't all that grim. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. What do we do?
We swim.
Right! La 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 la.
No singing, please. Now that song's gonna be stuck in my head.
There's a shiny thing. Hey, that looks interesting.
Please, Dory, try to stay on task.
It says P. Sherman 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney. I guess it's nothing.
No, Dory, that's the mask!
Yay! We did it!
Yeah, but now what? We don't know how to get there.
So we follow our gut. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Everything will be okay. See, just keep swimming. Your tail, and sure enough, we'll find our way. Oh, sometimes things look bad. Then poof, the moment he's gone. And what do we do?
We just keep swimming on. Excuse me! Hey, excuse me? Hey, wait a minute! I'm looking for my son!
Sherman 42
Please get it.
Wallaby Way.
No, Dory,
Is this guy bothering you?
Oh, I don't remember. Were you?
no. Do you guys want to get the P-Sherman 42?
Oh, pal, we're talking to the lady.
Fine.
Go easy on him, fellas. He lost his son, Fabio.
Nemo.
Anyway, P. Sherman 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney.
Sydney!
What you want to do is follow the EAC. That's the East Australian Current.
Swimming.
Big current, can't miss it. It's in that direction.
Just keep swimming, swimming.
So that little baby's gonna float you right past Sydney.
It's a big blue world out there. I can make a fish feel small.
They're good.
But when Chris goes away, it's not slowly at all. To Sydney!
So, Marlon and Dory were headed to the EAC. we knew. Because back at the tank, Nemo was losing hope that his dad was even out there at all.
Not my dad, he's not brave enough. He's afraid of whales and sharks and stuff. He's probably angry 'cause I was bad. I'm sure that he's not coming. Not my dad.
But his dad was coming. At that very moment, Marlin and Dory found themselves cruising with a giant sea turtle. And he was, as the kids say,
You've traveled far. You must be swimming under a lucky star. Yeah, but you're exactly where you're meant to be. So grab some shell and surf the sea with me. Go with the flow. Whoa, dude, Mr. Turtle's my father. Name's Crush.
Show him your 360, sport.
Check this out. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
oh my goodness!
Motor dude, why don't you take it slow? But let us see how Sport does flying solo.
I'll be a sea monkey's uncle.
You so totally rock, Squirt! You're such an amazing kid.
Children, huh?
It's awesome. The legs on reach then could you find their own way back to the big old blue.
All by themselves?
But what if they're not ready? I mean, how do you know? How do you know? Well, you never really know. But if they're ever gonna grow, then you gotta let them go. You know, just go with the flow.
Journey traveled far and wide. The sea turtles told their fish friends.
Who told the lobsters?
Who told the swordfish?
Who told the
Who
dolphins?
told the albatross?
Who told
Who blew that news right to our windowsill? Nemo, did you hear? Your dad's been fighting the entire ocean looking for you.
My father? Really?
We're ace in the city harbor right now!
That's my dad. I knew all along. Underneath, he's really brave and strong. He's on his way now, and I'm so glad.
so sorry.
It's over. Nemo's gone. I couldn't! I'm going home now.
Wait, where are you going?
Dory, if it wasn't for you, I never would have made it here. So thank you.
Wait, stop! No one's ever stuck with me for so long before. Please don't go away. Please.
Whoa. Dad! Dad!
Nemo!
Dad!
And you are?
This is Dory. She helped me find you. I thought I lost you. I saw you belly up.
I was just pretending so they flushed me down the drain.
Thank goodness you're safe.
Dad, I don't hate you.
No. I'm so sorry, Nemo. Hey, guess what? I met a sea turtle when he was 150.
150? Whoa. So tell me, Dad, what's it like to cross an entire sea?
Well, son, I don't know. Let's go home together, then you'll tell me.
Want to make it 3?
So, Nemo and his dad were finally reunited.
And inspired by Nemo's big escape, we hitched our own ride out of the tank on the Plastic Bag Express.
And that's how we ended up here.
Yeah.
Oh, I just love a happy ending! But wait, what happened when they got back home to the reef?
Well, it is release day.
Catch you later, folks. We got a date with the Big Blue.
In the big blue world, we're gonna go explore, explore.
Morning explorers!
Tell your school!
Now go and get some knowledge.
Act home when you're done!
Don't worry, I'll be careful.
But remember to have fun.
Everybody find a buddy. Nemo, that means you.
It's right, I forgot you too. You love me, Dad.
I love you too, son. Now go have an adventure.
In the big blue world, we're gonna go explore. In the big blue world, things we've never seen before. What's waiting out there, we can never know. In the big blue world, we're ready to go. In the big blue world, in the big blue world. Bye, Dory. Bye, Dad.
My son.
We're so glad you could spend part of your day here at the Marine Life Institute.